Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the amazing health benefits of drinking coconut water daily in the morning. Coconut water is not only delicious but is also packed with vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds that can give your body the nourishment it needs. By making this a part of your daily routine, you can experience numerous health benefits that can improve your quality of life. The benefits of drinking coconut water daily. Firstly, coconut water is an excellent source of hydration. Unlike other sports drinks or sugary beverages, coconut water is a natural drink that can help you stay hydrated without adding extra calories. It's rich in electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which help replenish your body's fluids and keep you hydrated throughout the day. Secondly, coconut water can help boost your immune system. It's packed with nutrients like vitamin C, which can help strengthen your immune system and protect against illnesses. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant that can help fight free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause damage to your cells. Thirdly, coconut water can help improve your digestion. It contains natural enzymes that aid in digestion and can help relieve constipation. Additionally, it's a natural diuretic that can help flush out toxins from your body and improve kidney function. Coconut water also has a high fiber content that can help keep you regular and promote a healthy gut. Fourthly, coconut water can promote healthy skin. It contains cytokinins, which are plant hormones that can help regulate cell growth and prevent the signs of aging. Drinking coconut water daily can help keep your skin hydrated, smooth, and glowing. It can also help prevent skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Fifthly, coconut water can help reduce blood pressure. It's a good source of potassium, which can help counteract the effects of sodium and help reduce blood pressure. This can help lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. How to incorporate coconut water into your morning routine. So, how can you incorporate coconut water into your morning routine? One simple way is to drink a glass of coconut water as soon as you wake up, before eating anything else. This can help hydrate your body and give you a burst of energy to start your day. You can also add coconut water to your smoothies, use it as a base for your morning juice, or drink it on its own as a refreshing beverage. In conclusion, drinking coconut water daily in the morning can provide numerous health benefits that can improve your overall health and well-being. By adding this simple yet powerful drink to your daily routine, you can stay hydrated, boost your immune system, improve digestion, promote healthy skin, and lower your blood pressure. So, why not give it a try and see how it can improve your life? Before we go, we hope you found this video informative and helpful. Remember, drinking coconut water daily in the morning can provide a multitude of health benefits, so don't hesitate to give it a try. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and family. We appreciate your support and hope to see you again soon. Thank you for watching.